Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code 0x00000001419101f1 on Warzone. So, let's start. Method 1. Run the games as administrator. Make sure to shut down all instances of Call of Duty. Open battle.net, then select the game Warzone. Click Settings, the gear symbol, then select Show in Explorer, from the context menu that just appeared. Open Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Scroll down and find Modern Warfare Launcher and Modern Warfare application file. Right-click on Modern Warfare Launcher, then select Properties. Access the Compatibility tab from the group of menu options at the top of the main Modern Warfare Launcher Properties menu once you're there. Go to the Settings section of the Compatibility tab and choose the Run this program as an administrator checkbox. To save the changes, press Apply. Do same things to the Modern Warfare executable. Finally, close battle.net, then run battle.net as administrator, then play Warzone normally to check whether the issue has been resolved. Method 2. Disable on-demand texture streaming. Launch Warzone, then select Options. Select Graphics. Select Quality. On the on-demand texture streaming option, switch to Disable. Select Apply Settings to save the changes and restart the game. Try playing the game normally to check whether the issue has been resolved. Method 3. Disable all active overlay software. Disable Decords overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. If you using the third-party software to monitor a game's FPS as such FPS Monitor, MSI Afterburner, then turn off or uninstall them. Method 4. Disable G-Sync. Right-click anyplace on your desktop that isn't occupied, and then select NVIDIA Control Panel from the pop-up context menu that appears. As soon as you are in the NVIDIA Control Panel, look to the left and select Manage 3D Settings. Then, go to the right side, choose the Program Settings tab, and then click Add. Select the Call of Duty Modern Warfare executable from the following menu to add it to the Manage 3D Settings. Set the vertical sync to off after choosing the appropriate executable from the list of custom video settings. Once G-Sync has been turned off, save the modifications, then relaunch the game to see whether the issue has been fixed. Method 5. Try check update the game, graphics drivers and operating system. The first thing you should do is make sure that you are using the most recent game version currently available. The second thing is make sure that you are using the most recent graphics drivers version currently available. And the last thing you should do is make sure that you are using the most recent operating system version currently available. Method 6. Scan and repair the game. Launch battle.net. Select the game by clicking on it in the left-hand area of the main battle.net interface. To verify the file integrity and fix Warzone, click Settings, the gear symbol, then select Scan and Repair, from the context menu that just appeared. Confirm the operation at the subsequent prompt, then wait the scan and repair process is carried out. Restart the game when the procedure is finished to determine if the issue has been resolved. Method 7. Turn off all overclocking on RAM, graphics card and CPU. Check your RAM is running right, and if your XMP is overclocked, that may cause issues with Warzone. Run your RAM on default and see if it still crashes. Do same thing on graphics card and CPU.